Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you two simple methods to download YouTube videos. These methods are quick, easy and completely free. So let's get started. The first method we are going to use is yt5s.com site. It's a fantastic website that allows you to download YouTube videos in various formats. Let's see how it works. Once you are on the yt5s.com website, all you have to do is follow the simple steps. Go to YouTube and find the video you want to download. As an example, I am going to use one of my videos in my YouTube channel. Now copy the URL of the video from the address bar. Now go back to yt5s.com and paste the URL into the search box on the home page. Click on the download button. Since this is a free to use website, it promises so many advertisements. So that simply remove those if you face uncomfortable. You can select the video quality by pressing drop down menu. Press get link and then after press download. Now you can see file is downloading. Once the file is downloaded, you can open the file from this area. The second method we are going to use is savefrom.net. This website is another great option for downloading YouTube videos. Let me show you how it works. Now go to YouTube, find the video you want to download and copy the URL. Then go to the Google home page and paste the URL into the search bar. Before search, you need to do a small change to the URL by typing "S" after the www. As you can see now. Now press enter to search. Now your video going to be downloaded automatically by opening savefrom.net. Before you press the download, select the video quality you need. Now the video will start downloading and you are done. With this savefrom.net, you can easily download YouTube videos within seconds. These are the two simple methods to download YouTube videos. yt5s.com and savefrom.net are the great tools that makes the process quick and hassle-free. Remember to respect copyright laws and only download videos for personal use or with proper permission. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more useful contents. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.